This Superpath hip replacement is a surgical procedure where a patient's damaged or diseased hip joint is replaced with a metal joint. This procedure offers more benefits compared to traditional hip replacement. In conventional hip replacement, a large incision is made on the hip, and the joint is dislocated, causing damage to many muscles. This results in a longer recovery time, and the protective coating around the hip joint, known as the hip capsule, is also damaged. However, in Superpath hip replacement, a small 3-inch incision is made on the side of the hip, and the joint is replaced without any dislocation. Before understanding this procedure, let's briefly look at hip anatomy. The hip joint is located between our thigh bone and pelvic, also known as the hip bone. It is a ball and socket joint that allows movement in almost every direction. The rounded end of the thigh bone fits into a socket-like region in the pelvic bone, called the acetabulum. Sometimes, with age or due to conditions like arthritis or injury, this joint can become damaged, leading to stiffness and pain that disrupts daily activities. Doctors may initially recommend medicines and stretching exercises, but if there is no improvement, hip replacement surgery is suggested. Now, let's see how the Superpath hip replacement is performed. During the surgery, the patient is positioned on the side with a slight angle, and general anesthesia is administered. The patient's lay is then bent at a 45-degree angle. The surgeon makes a 3-inch incision on the side of the hip. After the incision, without damaging any muscles, the surgeon retracts them to the side. Following this, the surgeon cuts and opens the hip capsule to expose the hip joint. The surgeon then cuts and removes the head part of the femur bone. Next, the surgeon rounds the acetabulum socket and fits metal sockets into it. A metal rod is inserted into the femur bone with a ball joint on the head. The surgeon then fits the metal ball joint into the socket and checks the joint movement by moving the leg. If the surgeon is satisfied with the fit, the hip capsule is stitched and closed. Finally, layer by layer, the surgeon sews up and applies a bandage. Superpath hip replacement surgery is complete, and because no major muscles are damaged, most patients are able to walk within a few hours after surgery. That's all for today. We'll see you in our next video. Until then, thank you for watching.